free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so
Hello, welcome for my channel. Because today's video na Pidgin, strictly Pidgin, very interesting. I want to talk na Pidgin. This video I go talk na only Pidgin throughout. So I go start about Pidgin. I don't even know how to start at the job babble, but welcome. If it's your first time for click for my channel, or if it's your first time for see me for YouTube, definitely welcome. And I will beg some you subscribe before you come over here. No joke also, and I don't die for talking particular thing for Pidgin. Corner that subscription button no. This one to know, even for my old subscriber there. Because some of you know when I need be notified when I upload new video. Just corner that subscription button or small bell there for this. Click for that bell. After you don't subscribe, if you just land for this channel, after you don't subscribe, you click for that small bell. That bell, each time I upload new video, you go see and it will come for your phone. So pling, it will notify you so I don't upload new video. Then you go there now up to date. Like you go see what till it happen. You go know what till it happen with me. But if you're one of my old subscribers, then thank you. I'm very grateful. In fact, may God bless all now. Especially the people who support me since from day one. So I know say if you be first time for the channel, you go surprised why I dey talk now for Pidgin. Now because say maybe so I usually talk like I ever make other video now for English. If you look the other one there for down. But today I be want to do this thing, make video for Pidgin English, and the video now all about this look. But I want to do one for Pidgin English because say not just something way I feel say it will be fun and interesting. I beg if you don't understand the language, like if you don't understand what I talk, I'll be very sorry. But my other video in the way I talk for English for the way if you understand. Personally, I be Cameroonian from the northwest region. So we talk in a Pidgin for Cameroon. We talk our official language is English and French, but we talk Pidgin over. So I really know Pidgin. And this video na tutorial video for this simple everyday look way. I want just do something where I talk for Pidgin. So I want make since my channel be more about makeup after I go do my makeup video, but I'm not be really grind the Pidgin well because I be try for for translate from English to Pidgin for some weird reason why I don't know why, because under normal circumstances I never translate from Pidgin to English. So anyways, I don't want to talk for long because if I should don't forget the intro, it takes 6 minutes plus they don't give me small chance to talk Pidgin for YouTube. Man over talk. When I just continue to watch the video, not just about this simple look, nothing special. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. As in press that like button, like and comment on that. Tell me what you think about the video. Give me any other idea you get them for video that you want to do. I will try my best for do them. And share the video too. I beg. Una share the video, una comment, una subscribe, una just do ultimate continue for the growth for yes, so get that. I beg. Anyways, like I told you, if you leave me for the place, I feel there for 10 minutes, you only do an intro. We'll just go straight inside the video and then we'll go meet up back for the end. See you guys some more time. See you guys some more time, really. See you guys soon. So, the first thing I ever do when I start to apply my eyeshadow. Oh my god. Chai, it's really strange. I know people use again for talk Pidgin for years. So stay the video end. But so before I apply my eyeshadow, I never prime my eye there, and today I use this concealer and this one. The NYX concealer, the brand name na NYX, and the shade for the concealer na Nutmeg. So I go prime my eye then with time because I want just do something very simple. And I actually make the video for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, people they outside the chop love at the after video. They will not even get for believe. So each time you set you conceal your eye, then you must always make sure say you set them. So that make the concealer no shake like me no make your eye makes that look like say you fall inside this thing. Inside a red oil or inside oil. The eye look very easy. I will just use now maybe 1 or 2 eyeshadow color then, because I just want something very simple, and I use the color, the palette now from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just apply that color all over, like all over my eye. The color did the same like my skin, like not the same color my skin. The Pidgin one don't start so When I know say I no fit like English, I no fit know how to talk the English fine. I go continue. I fit just leave and so I put my wings, I draw my dramatic wings, I put my eyelashes, and then I don't go. But for the sake of the video, I just put some small other thing in. So I go in now with my this thing with my highlighter, and this one are from MAC. Buy the one from MAC. They call and say gold deposit. So I just highlight my brow bone just because I want to bring some more, you know, shiny for face, shiny for the eye. Make the eye not just look dull. So now the best way is when you want to do something very easy. Under normal circumstances, I could hardly highlight my brow bone any shade we get shiny inside, but today because they look over simple and over basic, you need to put some small shiny way, at least when you turn your face more so it pop. You see as the pop, you turn your face more for this side, it pop. So when I go finish my face now see how they concealer this shiny way go match with the one I go my highlighter for my cheeks. Then I go understand now, when I go compare. But the second I see where you put that, so make sure so you blend them too very well with the concealer and the eyeshadow, so that all thing will look very smooth and seamless. So yeah, and then the next thing we want to do, the next area for your eye, we therefore bring in small for just make them too small stylish now. Now your inner tear duct, so in this part. So I'll go in with more of that same highlighter, and I go just apply small for here. So I go use my normal this thing wing liner I ever use them from Maybelline. So now I go just put the fake lashes, and I don't know, for some reason every day I use the particular lashes, but today I will use the one from Maybelline, and they call and say instant pore eraser. Foundation today I will mix two foundations then, and I will use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and Milani 2-in-1 concealer perfect. This one now in the shade golden toffee, the one in the shade 350. The one really white for me. So the other day, as usual, me and my friend of the story, we talk about couple the way they get separate room then, whether it's correct or whether it's wrong. So you and your master will not marry, so we not build house together or whatever, or not rent together, but we not get separate room then. Whether it's correct, obviously, I don't know. If my friend, they already know my opinion about that kind of thing. First of all, say how will we get separate room then? We not ever get separate room. Get separate room for waiting. Some people they be talking no, this so you need their space. Maybe now because I never married, I don't understand because marriage is a different thing. For wake up every day, they see one and the same face, go sleep on top of one and the same person. You know easy. I say yes, of course, easy. No man ever talk say marriage easy. Marriage na some very difficult thing, very hard thing, very difficult thing. Just the fact that you stay you get to stay with one person for the rest of your life. When you and that person are going to do almost all things together, that's some very hard thing, and then you go every day. See, but you know me say, I never get separate room. Me no. Well, even for my normal day-to-day relationship or my normal boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, if I dey in a relationship, we even fight. Like if we fight, if we get query, man say we get some small problem, then the boy come go sleep for room or come go sleep for parlor. Na big problem for me because I go really vex. In fact, I go vex that particular action self pass maybe the two will be fight about, because it is very wrong to if you get small argument, then you come out, you go sleep for you go sleep for chair or you go sleep for parlor or whatever. That one self I never even accept them before na one way we get separate room there for waiting. Get separate room there for waiting. Some people they support the idea, they say no, separate room fine, you get privacy and all that. I say no, If you always get privacy, by keeping yourself busy, of course it's boring. It is boring sometimes when you go every day you see the person in face, and all that morning time you go see, and for night you still get. That one is a whole different thing. But that night when they sleep on top the same bed, na just kind of na part of the bonding. Not even the counting or whatever one they do for night. No, but just the fact that one they on top the same bed. If you get problem, now why I like big bed, because my idea being I say I like very big bed. They were go married, or when I go stay for my house with my partner or my husband, when I go get husband way, would you marry, would you stay for the same house, eh? The one thing I go spend my money on top na big bed, because they will get problem. I go then take all pillows for bed and separate them for me to like space for me to sleep for your side and sleep for my side. Yes. But say you come over sleep, no, that one be very offensive for me. Now it be very disrespectful. So that was my opinion. Una tell me what una think about the particular topic, because it was really a heated argument. People they be really argue strong about them. Anyways, I conceal my face, I highlight my under eye them, and this look what I do today. I want to make it very natural. You want to be very important. If you want to say make your skin soak in the foundation, may look as natural as possible. First of all, you get for use the right shade. So now, I will set my face, and I use the same setting powder I use for my eye then. The one, Laura Mercier translucent powder. I will just set the highlighted area then, my under eye, and something the way they call them baking, where you take the setting powder, you leave it under your face. You leave them for the highlighted area then. Damn, so you need the pressure for your skin. But me, you just put that part on top the area, then you leave and make do this thing. Make it day for some time set. Me, I don't like them. I really don't like to do that thing, because it might increase the whiteness. If you want to do natural makeup, if you want to make makeup look natural, the way I hope that the makeup will look, I ever press them inside my skin. Dark brown shade for contour my face. Na eyeshadow shade, na matte eyeshadow shade. They call and say Americano from some brand makeup kit. So I use that. And then for set my whole face, now I use my normal face powder. The one from NYX. I buy them from NYX. Well, they just wipe any excess powder away with my face. So I'll go back now for my under eye then, and I will just use black pencil eye. I will just use black pencil eye. I just line my waterline. And then I will go in my mascara. I just try to bring out my lower lashes. So I'll go in back now my gold deposit from MAC. I like the particular highlight. Anyways, man, don't use the one. I want to use another one where it look more natural. Like highlight what they apply almost every day when I go to school. The one are from Sleek, and in the shade medium. Now the highlighter palette, they have a bronzing palette or something in the shade medium. Because I want my outing just look natural, simple. Today I go wear two lipstick option them. I go wear normal regular lipstick when I do one. I buy the one from Essence. Then I'll go over with clear lip gloss. So I could just do my hair off camera and then I come back now, more conclude on this look. And then I show on the second lip option. Now the first lip option, this where if you be person you know like you liquid lipstick and you know the inside all that, you know like all that, you know you like your glossy lips and all that. Now the first lip option this, but personally I be person I like me in a liquid lipstick just because it stay for your lips and you feel built and the whole day, you know. I don't like when you get for the reapply all time and at the point that with lip gloss because you need for the reapply like all the time you need for the reapply. So me I don't get that kind of patience. But I feel like this kind look that go more with lip gloss and past liquid lipstick. So now the second option, this personally na my own like na me this. If I wear something simple, I never like to be with my liquid lipstick because it just stay the whole day, no wahala. So thank you so much. Anyone who watch the video reach right for the end. Tell me what you think about couple there they get separate rooms. Tell me what you think about this look, and tell me what you think about me talking pidgin throughout the video. Whether una like him, whether una don't like him, una just let me know. I will try to list all things I use and for description bar for down. So una just comment, una share the video, and definitely I really like, I enjoy as I talk pidgin when I make the video. But the only point I say, since I don't use it for the talk, I don't use it for the talk English all time. It make me I want to translate some of the this and it give that the real pidgin. But I could do another video where I will definitely talk only for pidgin, where I will get on topic. That way I will feel grind properly. The one where they do that makeup look, and it really flow that way. So thank you very much. Any man we don't support me from day one. I love una and I pray say may God bless una. I'm gonna continue for the support me. May all we grow together. So before I go, stay pretty, always the slay and always smile. Smiling, that's one very important thing where it brighten your day, it brighten other people that day around you. So see you on my next video and bye.